Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Prishra Kanudia. As you know that I've started a series for legal maxims, so this is the second part of it. The very first maxim is void ab initio, which means something which is void from the very beginning. If you enter into a contract with a minor, then that is considered as void ab initio. Now the second maxim is res ipsa loquitur, which means that thing speaks for itself, or there is no need of any proof. Suppose there is a doctor who, under the course of his employment, performs a surgery on a patient, and by chance he leaves a scissor inside his stomach. So if the counsel of the patient files a suit against him for negligence, he could say that it is res ipsa loquitur, which means things speaks for itself, and there is no need of any proof in this scenario. So the third maxim is ignorantia juris non excusat, which means that ignorance of fact can be an excuse, but ignorance of law is not an excuse. अगर आप किसी को मर्डर कर देते हो एंड देन यू गो इन द कोर्ट ऑफ लॉ एंड यू से कि मुझे पता नहीं था कि ऐसा कोई लॉ है, तो तो in this case this maxim would be applicable कि ignorance of law is not an excuse. Now the fourth maxim is audi alteram patum, which means that both the sides should be heard. If in a court of law अगर सिर्फ plaintiff की side सुनी जा रही है और defendant की side नहीं सुनी जा रही, even though defendant जो है he is guilty for the act, but still दोनों की sides equally सुनी जाएगी. This is what the meaning of audi alteram patum is. The fifth maxim is doli incapax, which means children under a certain age are unaware of their consequences. Thus, it is considered that they are unable to commit some crime. सपोज एक 5 साल का बच्चा एंड वो एक पर्टिकुलर इंसान को बैक्ट्री करता है, देन वी कुड से दैट दैट चाइल्ड इज डोली इनकेपैक्स, मतलब वो अनेबल है अपने एक्शन के कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस को समझने के लिए, और यहाँ पे उसने कोई क्राइम नहीं किया है. थैंक यू सो मच. आई मीट यू इन अनदर पार्ट. बाय बाय.